Today we are out at Rush Ranch Open Space with our Suisun Marsh Watershed Education Program.
And at the Suisun Marsh, and I'm doing a field trip where we learn about all the Suisun Marsh things like the soil, the water, and the plants.
It's the largest contiguous estuarine marsh in the United States, and it's right here in Solano County. And I love that we get to expose kids on our field trips to this unique place.
It really is interesting, coming from like the city of Vacaville, and really when you cross that line into the Suisun, the wildlife protection area, it's really like entering a different world. And even though we're so close, a lot of them might never get out here on their own. I know I didn't get out here on my own until the first time we did it.
Wait about 5 minutes for the blue water to develop.
Oh yeah, it's blue.
So now you find phosphate on your journal.
What they're doing right now is they're taking soil samples. I believe this station they're taking water samples, and I really like that they're doing actual research here. This isn't just for funsies. This is the real deal.
We're really pleased this year that we're partnering with the National Estuarine Research Reserve. So our tests that we're doing out here on the water quality are not just getting tossed into some bin somewhere. We're actually reporting those to the reserve. They're using that as a baseline data set so that we can see as sea level rise is happening, as climate change continues to occur, that they can actually use that data that our students are collecting here. So it's a really cool opportunity for them to be involved in real science.
We know that students coming out and doing hands-on science is the best way to have them understand a concept, have them remember that concept. In this case, remembering the importance of keeping our runoff free of pollution so that it protects habitats and environments like the Suisun Marsh.
It's one thing to look at it on a Chromebook, and it's another thing to really come out into it and get your hands dirty, metaphorically and literally. It's a whole nother thing to actually see it in action and realize this is a real place. These aren't just words on a page.
We really want them to be able to have the experience of coming out, of being in nature, of having those moments of connection, because that's the real beginning of stewardship.
I would recommend it because you could learn a lot about nature and help protect it, and it might get you interested.
Getting 100% of Solano youth outdoors, especially when you're looking at 0 to 24 in the whole county, is a really big lift, but it's something that we can do in partnership. The Solano RCD is our key partner in education, and so really as we strive for that 100%, making sure that they continue to have funding, to sustain their programs. Part of how they've been so successful is that they have built up over time, and they've built a really successful program because they've had that continuous funding from the water agency and from the local cities in the county.
We would invite anyone to come out, bring your classes, because they will experience something that is new to most of them.
I think it's important to come out here because you get to experience more, and like you're just outside, like you're not inside that much. Like you're just like outside and you get to see different things and experience different things.
Growing this next generation of kids that are going to care about nature and care about the land and take over as our natural resource managers and our farmers and our ranchers and our water engineers is critical to making sure that we have that healthy natural environment that all people deserve.
I don't know of any other times when kids get this sort of experience. I think it's a great opportunity for them, and I'm always so grateful that they reach out to us and ask us to come back here. I'm like, yeah, I can't say yes fast enough.